Leadership is not and will never be based on gender.
Responsibility doesn't just belong to one gender. It belongs to everyone.
Self-expression is not and will never be a sign of weakness and fragility.
Hashtag equal beyond gender.
Respect individuality. Celebrate equality.